Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I'm Sri Fosia. I'm from English Education B. Okay, today I will make a video learning, and then I choose a material about instruction. Happy watching. Okay, basic competence, understanding social function, text structure, and linguistic elements of special types of text in the form of instruction, short notice, and warning. And then very short and simple spoken and writing. Ya, anak-anakku sekalian, kompetensi dasar kita kali ini yaitu memahami fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan dari jenis khusus teks yang berbentuk instruksi, tanda atau rambu, berbentuk peringatan dalam hal baik itu secara lisan maupun tulisan yang sangat pendek dan sederhana. Okay, the next basic competence, capture meaning in the text of instruction, short notice, and warning, spoken and writing. Baik, kompetensi dasar 4.10 yang dimana kalian dapat memahami makna dari teks instruksi, teks tanda rambu ataupun peringatan, baik itu secara lisan maupun tulisan, anak-anakku sekalian. Okay, the next basic competence, capture meaning in the text of instruction, short notice, and warning, spoken and writing. Baik, kompetensi dasar 4.10 yang dimana kalian dapat memahami makna dari teks instruksi, teks tanda rambu ataupun peringatan, baik itu secara lisan maupun tulisan, anak-anakku sekalian. Okay, social function, achievement goals, means order and personal, and then public safety. Okay, baik, fungsi sosial kita yang dimana mencapai tujuan, menjaga ketertiban dan keselamatan pribadi dan publik. Okay, the next text structure, the first short notice, for example, keep the room clean, do not enter, keep the door at all times, and then no mobile phone in the library. Okay, the next text structure, the second warning, for example, caution, for example, very hot water, danger, slippery when wet, and the last warning, dangerous chemicals. Okay, the next language elements, the first common use words and grammar, the second clear spelling, the third speech, word, stress, intonation, and then when presenting orally. Okay, baik anak-anak, unsur kebahasaan yang kita gunakan, yang dimana itu kita pertama menggunakan kata dan tata bahasa yang lazim digunakan, ejaan yang jelas, intonasi, tekanan kata ketika mempresentasikan secara lisan. Okay, the next media, tools, and learning resource. Media, for example, for drawing, picture or drawings. Tools, for example, LCD, board marker, and then a learning resource, for example, student handbook and other reference. Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, hello, good morning everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, ma'am will be absent for today. Listen to his name. Baik, saya akan mengabsen kalian. Dengarkan nama kalian ya. Miftahul Heranur.
Yes, ma'am.
Nabila Salsabila.
Yes, ma'am.
Arifatul Husna.
Yes, ma'am.
tanda atau rambu. And the last definition about warning, yaitu definisi pengertian tentang tanda peringatan. Yang kedua, kita akan belajar mengenai the purpose from instruction, short notice, and warning. Tujuan dari apa itu tujuan dari instruksi, tujuan dari tanda atau rambu dan tanda peringatan. And the last can distinguish good for instruction, short notice, and warning. Yang terakhir, kalian bisa membedakan mana contoh untuk instruksi, mana contoh untuk tanda atau rambu dan tanda peringatan. Okay, ma'am will give one motivation word before learning. Baik, saya akan memberikan kalian satu kata motivasi. English is the most effective weapon that can be used to change in the world. Ya, di mana pendidikan adalah senjata yang bisa mengubah dunia, yang bisa digunakan untuk mengubah pendidikan di dunia ini. Oke?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, definition about instruction. Instruction is expression to us or command someone to do something. We use instruction to us or command someone not to do something. We use prohibition. Okay, the next, there are sample instruction. The first, to give an order. For example, listen to me, clean the blackboards, water the plant, and shut the door. Okay, the second, to make a valid request or asking someone to do something at work, please. For example, sit down please, come in please, and then please be quiet. Okay, the last, using auxiliary verbs. For example, will you make me a cup of tea? Will you please be quiet for a minute? And the last, will you be able to wait for me? Okay, the next, definition of short notice. Short notice is one type of short functional text which contains short and simple information in the form of writing, image, scenes, or symbol to provide information. Instruction or warnings in the public is usually in the form of scenes. Okay, the next, the purpose of short notice. The purpose of short notice is to provide guidance, is to provide direction, and the last, to one of caution. Okay, definition about warning. Warning or written is a sentence used to read someone, usually paused in certain places to attract the reader attention. The purpose is a warning. The purpose is a warning to tell of people to beware or aware of that things that did not allow it. For example, the school symbol. Okay, you can see, for example, notice comments. The first, close the door, and the second, silent exam in the progress. Okay, the next, you can see, for example, notice caution. The first, beware need that the floor is slippery, and the second example, no parking. Okay, the next, you can see, for example, short notice. The first, stop bullying, no smoking, no swimming, no eating or drink, and then the last, stop only. The next, there is a question for material today.
No, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am will distribute the paper, and please do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, after you guys are done, please gather and we will continue the material, and then ma'am will give games about this material. Oke, anak-anakku sekalian, ketika kalian selesai, silakan dikumpul, dan mem akan memberikan beberapa games tentang materi ini. Okay, today we will play games about instruction, ya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Instruction. Okay, you hear what I say, and you read according to my instruction.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Let's start. The first instruction. Stand up, please. Okay. Sit down, please. Okay. The second instruction. Open the book. Okay. The last instruction. Turn to the right. Okay, please sit back. Okay, that's for today about material instruction. Today we will play games about short notice. Short notice. Okay, you are a group. You show picture according to what I say in Indonesian.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, the first which is where the picture are about dilarang parkir. Okay, true. Okay, the second, which is where the picture are about dilarang berenang. Okay, true. Simple finish. Okay, the next, the picture which is where are about staff dilarang masuk. Staff dilarang masuk. Okay, true. Okay, guys, the last. Which is where the picture are about dilarang buka pintu. Okay, true. Okay, today we will play games about one ring. Okay, I will take picture. And I will write in Indonesian language. Okay, thank you. Okay, next. Sakina. Okay, sit down please. Okay, next, Lawrence Yani. Okay. Next, Rizka Amelia. Okay. Okay, someone can conclude our material today. Okay, Mawar. Okay, please start, Mawar. Okay, thank you, Mawar. Any other? If there is no, okay, ma'am, it will conclude our material today. This material about instruction in terms of signs or warnings or where we see in our environment. And then your task, please open page 10 and then it's announced done at home. Okay, thank you very much anak-anakku sekalian. See you next time. Wallahu yadilal khair wal amanah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.